Hello students, now we will discuss factors on which acceleration due to gravity small g depends. Factors on which acceleration due to gravity small g depend. The acceleration due to gravity small g depends upon the following factors. Number 1, altitude, that is height from the surface of earth. Number 2, depth from the surface of earth. Number 3, latitude or rotation of earth around its own axis. Number 4, shape of earth. Now we will discuss first factor, altitude, that is height from the surface of earth. Let an object of mass m is at a height h from the surface of earth. Let this is earth and this is the object of mass m at a height h from the surface of earth. Then according to Newton's law of gravitation, the gravitational force acting on the object due to earth is given by F is equal to capital G capital M into small m upon R plus H whole square. Put this equation number 1. Here capital G is gravitational constant and where m is mass of earth, R is radius of earth, m is mass of earth and R is the radius of earth. Let G dash be the acceleration due to gravity at a height h from the surface of earth. Then according to Newton's second law of motion, the force acting on the object is given by F is equal to mg dash. Put this equation number 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we get mg dash is equal to capital G small m into capital M upon R plus H whole square. Now small m cancel each other. Therefore we get G dash is equal to capital G capital M upon R plus H whole square, or G dash is equal to G into R square upon R plus H whole square. Put this equation number 3. Because capital G capital M upon capital R square is equal to small g is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth. From equation 3, G dash is equal to G into R square upon R square into 1 plus H upon R whole square. That is, in the denominator, take R common and it become R square because power of R plus H is 2. Now R square cancel each other. Therefore, G dash is equal to G upon 1 plus H upon R whole square, or G dash is equal to G into 1 plus H upon R whole power minus 2. Because from binomial theorem, for any index, for mod x very small than 1 such that square and higher powers of x can be neglected. Then, according to binomial theorem, 1 plus x power n nearly equal to 1 plus nx, neglecting the square and higher powers. Therefore, if h is very small as compared to r, the radius of earth, then h upon r become very much less than 1. Therefore, g dash is equal to g into 1 plus, here n is equal to minus 2, this become 1 plus minus 2, that is n is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to h upon r, which is very much less than 1 if h is very much less than r. Then x becomes equal to h upon r. Therefore, we get g dash is equal to g into 1 plus minus 2 into h upon r. Therefore, we get g dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h upon r. Put this question number 4. The above formula can be used to find g dash for h to be very small as compared to r, the radius of earth, and cannot be used to find h. That is equation number 4 cannot be used to find h because we do not know whether h is very small or not as compared to r, radius of earth. So question number 4 only can be used to find g dash if h is very much less than r and cannot be used to find h. So this is the formula. We show the variation of g due to h height from the surface of earth. Thank you very much.